Like, I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I kind of know what it is though, but I ordered so much stuff at once that I don't
know what package came. I think it's Morphe, but I don't know. I really don't know right now. I was hoping it would be BH Cosmetics, but I really don't know, because I was like, what is it? Like, before I even started this video, I'm like, what is in the box? So me and you are going to figure out what's in the box. So we're going to figure out what's in the box.
The box stinks. Smell like cardboard. Get it? Get it, cardboard. So we just gonna get right into the video. Oh, thank you, girl. You didn't have to throw it to me like that. We about to cut the box open. Cut the box open. Y'all see me cut the box. We about to cut the box open.
Come on, go ahead. Okay, there you go. I think. Okay, there you go. We got it. This is dangerous. Ow. Okay. We just always see my sister open the mouth like that. Yeah.
I hope it's open. Okay. Sorry. I get really like hyper when I get packages. Like, seriously. Girl, you won't believe what's in this box. You won't believe what's in this box. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna need you to cooperate. You just fold it, put it right there. You see that MORPHE? Are you ready? It's Morphe. Okay. I got so excited, you guys. All right. So,
Owie.
phone is always ringing when I'm doing, recording my videos. But girl, it's Morphe. Are you ready? Oh my God. Look, y'all. I got the palette ACC11. Are you ready? Oh, Okay. I'm so excited.
I'm sorry for having a heart attack. I have a heart attack, all this excitement, girl. Okay, let me get myself together. Okay, so we got some Morphe palette. Oh my goodness, we gonna open this, girl. If I can get it open. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Yay.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. You ready? Just got y'all. I got y'all. No, this is the magnet one where you put the single ones in. So, and then I ordered some other single ones from a different company. So all my single ones are gonna go in here and they're gonna look so cute all together. So yeah. So that's why I ordered this. I paid, it'll be $6. Yep, $6. Next, I don't want to keep y'all here too long, Ooh.
Look at these. Girl.
Alright, so I also got Morphe eyeshadow single, which I told you guys about. Grape Day. I got this color. Yes, and then I got a white because I was like, I don't got no white. So I need that, honey. Then I know what this is, girl. Y'all ready? This is the eyeshadow palette 12P. I've seen a few YouTubers have this. Oh, I just died. Oh my goodness. I'm about to swap. Okay, which one? Which one I want to do? I want to do. I don't know what I want to do. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna do the pink.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, already? You ready? Oh. Girl, that's beautiful. Man, my makeup gonna be lit. Wait till these tutorials come out. I'm gonna do the purple. That's nice. That's beautiful.
Then I got lip liners. I believe these are lip liners, right? Didn't it? Eyeliner, lip liner. Well, it said color pencil. So either way, I'm going to use it wherever I want to use it. Because if I want it on my lip, I'm going to put it on my lip. If I want it on my eye, I'm going to put it on my eye. That's how I do my makeup. Don't judge me. So I got this color. Y'all see the color as well. Y'all can't really see this color for some reason. It's the light. It's the light. Okay, but I got these colors. This color is Locket. This is the color Locket. Then I got a color Dark Room. And then I got Everlasting. Oh, I love that song. Everlasting God by Lee Murphy. Y'all should check that out. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you to. Okay, and then Faith. Amen. Hallelujah.
I got this liquid eyeliner. I mean, gel liner. I'm sorry, in gold. I mean, wait.
I think it's called Bend the Rules. Yeah, I think it's called. Yeah, Bend the Rules. And it's gold, you guys. I got it in gold. Yeah, it's really nice. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Actually, let me open it. Duh. Oh. See, you got that thing on it. Sorry, you guys. My camera, I didn't have enough storage on my phone. So, that's how I record my videos, by the way. So I bought another gel liner. I love it. I just love new stuff, you guys. And it's blue. Ooh, that's pretty, right? That's very pretty. I can't wait to do a tutorial on that. Using that. And one more thing. How did I miss this? Okay, then I bought a green one. I just wanted to do something different with my looks, you know? Because I like to do different things. And doing different things make you feel like, I don't know, like, step out of your comfort zone, you know? So I really encourage you guys to do that. Don't be like everybody else. Be you, okay? And by the way, this is in the color Falling for Green. And this is really pretty. And is this a sample? Oh, this is a sample, you guys. So make sure you shop with Morphe. And no, I'm not, you know, they don't pay me to talk about them. I just love their products. So, hold on. Let me, there we go. Like, you get a sample or whatever. See? Hey, you guys, thank you for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys. If you really want me to do something that you do not know how to do, please comment below. Because I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to grow with you guys. I feel like you guys are my friends. And as we grow together, as we sing together, guys, we're at the end of this. Okay, see ya.